So good morning everyone. Today I will tackle about the chapter 2 warranty management meaning and its components. Subtopic D, warehouse design concept. So warehouse design concepts. Supply chain efficiencies depends upon the efficiency of logistics including transportation and warehousing operations. Warehouse efficiencies depends upon a combination of warehouse design, layout, infrastructure, systems, process, and people. In case where one can design warehouse and implement the complete project from ground zero, gives the supply chain management project manager a good scope to create a tailor-made solution design matching the exact requirements, thereby increase efficiencies as well as reduce transactional costs. So ang warehouse is a place used for the storage or accumulation of goods. For example, in a mall, they store their stock in the warehouse. Kanang stock sa mga product dito nila ibutang sa bodega or warehouse. Kanang mga dagkong business na yun na sila yung mga bodega. Silang mga product nga extra. So the next one is base functional aspect of warehouse function. Cause of the first one is material receipt including unloading, unpacking and inspection, put away and storage of materials in various categories of storage locations, system updating, pull materials for dispatch and delivery of materials after processing. Warehouse location, layout and building. The location of warehouse should ideally be situated on the flat ground. The location should be easily approachable and in an areas suited for this nature of business. Location closer to markets or to national highways would be ideal. So ang warehouse location, layout and building. So location dyan sa warehouse should be suited and flat ground, should be easily approachable in area kanang dili lisod. Kandali ra kuhaon dili sila lisod, dili na magtuyok para magkuha tas product na atong business. It depends on yung sa inyong gibaligya sa inyong company, mausa na ibutang sa inyong bodega dito nga. Bodega like dili na mga lisod na sulunon, dali ra tuon. So the next one is public transportation and communication infrastructure should be available. The layout of the building should be designed to accommodate fleet parking and enable containers to drive in and drive out easily. Anytime, two containers should be able to pass through on the path without any interruption. There should be enough free space to vehicles to maneuver. The layout should also provide for other utility, safety, and security operations. Building is normally constructed using galvanized metallic sheet mounted on C-section girders. The flooring should be RCC concrete with weight-bearing capacity as per requirements of the load to be calculated in each case. The ground should be flat, even the smooth surface to facilitate movements and dust-free. So ang public transportation and communication infrastructure should also kanang mga dagkong sakyanan dili jud na dapat maglisod og sulod padung sa warehouse para maghatod or magkuha sa atong materials or product. So the next one is internal layout. Internal layout design will be built taking into account the operational process, nature of goods, volume of transaction both inbound and outbound, storage type, in-house operations involving put away and pull sequences and process, requirements including packing, kitting, etc. And the availability of floor space coupled with the building layout design of inbound and outbound decks. So internal layout, if you have created a bubble diagram or have a list of the spaces that are to be incorporated into building, you can start to plot the best location for the rooms directly into a plan of the site. At this stage, it is not essential that anything is to scale because it is more about how the rooms will relate to the site and each other. Cargo with their finished goods, raw materials, parts, etc. The types of storage can vary from box stack, racking, pallet racking, shelf racking, binding, unit pick or lost pick phase, carton pick, etc. So the storage type vary with nature of materials, with different types of storage design for drums. Muna yung mga design sa mga drums, pallets, tires, cartoons, tube, and roads, etc. Racking design and materials handling equipments. Racking design take into account the storage type, storage unit, volume, and weight coupled with the available floor space and roof height to design system that maximize the storage capacity. So the next one is the nature of business and the storage type would be designed as per an inventory profile and process. Racking design vary many and varies with the type of industries and nature of inventory. Normal racking design including pallet racking on multiple levels. You can have shelving, binding, or a combination of box stack and forward pick face racking designs. Black stack racking and other types of high density racking can be found in warehouses. Mezzanine store binding and shelving rack design are normally designed for spare part and small part rather. So the next is highly automated racking design can be automatic retrieval system and conveyors in the warehouse. So retrieval system, so meaning consists of a variety of computer controlled system for automatically placing and retrieving loads, define storage location. So the next is material handling equipments and specified based on rack design coupled with pallet design, nature of the cargo, weight, and the warehouse layout, etc. So cargo is used for all types of goods, including those carried by rail, car, truck, or intermodal containers. So forklifts, reach truck, hand pallet jack, trolleys, and normal materials handling equipments in normal warehousing operations. So warehouse allows for timely delivery and optimized distribution, leading to increased labor productivity and greater customer satisfaction. It will also help reduce errors and damage in the order fulfillment process. Plus, it is provide your goods from getting lost or stolen during handling. The warehouse function performed by storing product in the warehouse till delivery to ultimate customer.